Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a Google Docs pageless setup on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to view or how to edit the document as pageless setup. So first of all, you can see the page gap between these two. You can see the single gap between these two. So this is the first page and second page. To make it pageless, just click on this three dot option on the top and just undo this, which actually create it as pageless. You can see there is no page gap here, so it's become a single page. So you can just turn it as a print layout, which actually will be like a single page. And if you are just going to make this paragraph to the next page here by doing this. Now you can see the page break here, so just click on this three dot option and just turn it off, which actually it look like a pageless document. So this is how you just change the pageless or page document. You can't see the gap between those two lines if you just click on the three dot and page layout, which actually create the gap between those two pages. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.